变得살랑 뛰는 남카테 좀 디체디 강이 신 남카 따블라 남카를 뜸한다 와서 되는 신은 남도만 보여리 그래서 니따 따와 신 남카다와 하 고성처나 고바스 고백감 신 남도 담으다 송나 지 남카다고 지금 대서 거리 고바스 주바디 신이라고 내가 가르치나 주마다 그렇지 오 따와 뭐 주바 송들들이 데이터베이스는 라센 통로 똑바발라 댄스 베지타베 진나카타베 데이터로 똑바타게들이 주마다 니 기도 초아탐제다 초록 동구요래지 초록 조르시 바디 이제 초아통고랑 살토로레스.
Then when vapors from the earth and clouds disperse into the sky, though they have gone nowhere at all, they yet abide nowhere. So it is with the multitude of thoughts arisen from mind. By seeing your own mind, the waves of thoughts vaporize. So we have said the mind is like space, and the thoughts appearing in the mind are like the clouds, like vapors in space. So currently there are many thoughts in our mind all the time. So first of all, the view is to understand that the actual natural state of mind is like space, and the thoughts are like the clouds. And then the practice, the meditation, is to abide, continue to abide within that space like nature. And the conduct then is that abiding within that state of space-like nature, which is in a way a union of the view and meditation. Whatever you do, whatever activity you engage in, it becomes illusory, without grasping. So when you are able to abide in the space-like nature of the mind, whatever you encounter becomes is seen like an illusion. Whatever feeling arises will dissolve on its own. So the various sensations perceived by the six sense consciousnesses will just settle naturally into their natural state. So whatever is perceived by the six sense consciousnesses will naturally dissolve in itself.